In your Office lifetime, there may be occasions where you want to do a direct copy and paste of a particular object. You can of course select an object, right click and select cut or copy, and then right click again to select paste, and of course you'll have the other pasting options now in Office as well. And of course you can always do Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to create a copy as well. However, if you're looking to create a direct clone of the object, you can also select the object and click and drag whilst holding the Control key down. So notice as I hold the Control key down here as I select my object, you'll see that my cursor changes to now show a dotted square around the end of my cursor. Once you've got this, simply click and drag once you're holding the Control key down and you'll get a direct clone of the object. This also works on groups of objects as well, so I can select, if I add in a couple of squares here, I can select two objects at once and do the same methodology. So Control held down, click and drag, and I'll get a direct copy of those items there as well. And you can do this multiple times, so we can spawn another 4 squares and another 4 squares from there, and you'll see we're getting a direct copy each time of anything that's been selected. So this is just one way of speeding up your workflow within Office. Make sure to hold the Control key down and click and drag to create direct clones of objects.